Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to change the sync encryption option in Chrome on your PC. By adjusting the encryption settings, you can enhance the security of your synced data. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, locate the 3 vertical dots icon at the top right corner of the browser window. Click on this icon to access the Chrome menu. Step 3. From the Chrome menu, click on Settings to open the Chrome settings page. Step 4. Within the settings page, find the Sync and Google Services section. Click on it to access the sync options. Step 5. In the sync options, click on the Turn on Sync button to enable syncing of your data. Step 6. After turning on sync, you'll see additional options. Select the Settings option to access the Advanced Sync settings. Step 7. Within the Advanced Sync settings, locate the Encryption options and click on it to modify the encryption settings. By following these 7 simple steps, you can easily change the sync encryption option in Chrome on your PC and enhance the security of your synced data. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.